Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up your Brother HL-L3220CWD color laser printer step by step, from unboxing to wireless setup and software installation. Make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. Step 1. First, carefully remove the printer from the box. Inside the box, you should find Brother printer, toner cartridge, and drum unit assemblies, black, cyan, magenta, and yellow pre-installed, waste toner box installed, belt unit installed, AC power cord, quick setup guide, product safety guide. Before moving forward, remove all protective packaging materials from the outside of the printer. Step 2. Now let's prepare the toner cartridges. Open the top cover of the printer. Remove all blue protective tape inside the printer. Carefully take out the toner and drum unit assemblies. Remove the orange protective parts from each cartridge. Reinstall all toner and drum units firmly back into the machine. Close the top cover securely. Make sure everything clicks into place. Step 3. Pull out the paper tray completely. Adjust the paper guides to match your paper size. Load plain paper into the tray. Do not exceed the maximum fill mark. Slide the tray back into the printer. Your paper is now loaded correctly. Step 4. Before plugging in, locate the serial number label on the back or side of the printer. Write it down for warranty and registration purposes. Now, connect the AC power cord to the back of the printer. Plug it into a wall outlet. Press the power button to turn the printer on. The printer will initialize. Step 5. If prompted to select language, for LCD models, press up or down to select Initial Setup. Press OK. Select Local Language. Choose your preferred language. Press OK to confirm. Press Cancel to exit. Your display language is now set. Step 6. Now we need to install the Brother software. On your computer, open a browser. Go to setup.brother.com. Download the latest driver and software for HL-L3220CWD. Run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions. You can connect using wireless network, Wi-Fi, USB cable. Follow the instructions based on your preferred connection method. Step 7. Wireless Wi-Fi setup. During installation, select Wireless Network Connection. If automatic setup works, your screen will display Connected. If it fails, follow Manual Setup. Find your Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password, network key, from your router. On the printer, press up or down. Go to Network. Select Wi-Fi. Choose Find Network. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Press OK. When connected successfully, the display will show Connected. If it still fails, restart your router, restart your printer, restart your computer. Run setup again. If still unsuccessful, visit support.brother.com. Important: change default admin password. For network security, the default admin password is printed on the back of the printer labeled PWD. We strongly recommend changing this password immediately to prevent unauthorized access. And next, optional firmware update. To check for the latest firmware updates, visit support.brother.com. Updating firmware ensures better performance and security. Setup complete. Congratulations! Your Brother HL-L3220CWD printer is now ready to use. You can now print from your computer or mobile device. Troubleshooting tips: if you cannot connect, restart your wireless router, restart your printer, restart your computer, reinstall software, disconnect USB cable if switching connection types. If problems continue, visit support.brother.com. That's it for today's setup guide. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more printer setup tutorials and tech support guides. If you need any help or technical support with your Brother HL-L3220CWD printer, to contact us directly. Call now. Our support team is ready to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.